Hello, my dear student. If you want to learn Russian cursive, you are in the right place. I'm your Russian language coach, Vita. And today let's practice writing the Russian cursive letter M. Please watch carefully. This is the uppercase letter M. This is the lowercase letter M. This is our transcription. So, first I'm going to write the uppercase cursive letter M. And now I'm gonna write the lowercase letter M. It looks the same but smaller. Let's write both of them together. Actually, the name of this letter is M, but for more easiest way to remember, I will use the sound when I'm telling about this letter. The sound is M. M. Now please take a piece of paper and try to write this letter by yourself. Also, please write in the comments if you enjoyed this video and feel free to share your thoughts and questions below. You can also share this video with your friends who are learning Russian cursive. Thank you for learning with me and see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!